Hey guys, it's David Madison Power Washing. I'm here today doing a house, and we looked at the driveway. Customer wanted me to do the driveway as well, and then we added on the back porch. I'm just going to give you a quick view of that porch. I'm going to be doing a time lapse of the porch, just the nature of the porch. It's really it is dirty, so we'll be getting a time lapse of the porch here. And then we got a, I'm just lightly gonna hit that deck, it's not as bad. But if you look, the house has definitely has some green on it. Also, I got a new camera coming in the mail. Just got it, ordered it last night. So hopefully it can bring you guys some better, higher quality content without using my business phone. So stick along guys, and we'll get to cleaning. Well, I finished up. I think it turned out pretty good compared to what it was. It is still a little bit light, the white, but I think he'll be able to use it and stain it. I think it looks a lot better than it did for sure. So, house turned out really good. Finishing up. Gonna go on to the next one. Just with my phone being eating up all the battery on this one. Don't know what I'll be able to get for the next few, but we'll see. Thanks guys.